Hello everyone, welcome to Force Galaxy, and in today's video we are going to take a look on top reason to select Salesforce for your business. Before looking into this, let's discuss why companies use Salesforce and what is Salesforce used for. Companies use Salesforce to connect with their customers, to have better understanding with their customers and connect with them on different variety of levels and help to grow their customer base. The cloud-based software allows companies to track real-time analytics, customer services and support, customer complaints and other CRM functions within ease of cloud storage and access wherever the users are. Now let's discuss the top reason to select Salesforce for your company. Number 1. Easy to use. Salesforce is just as easy to log in as the website you visit every day. You can log in from anywhere, collaborate with your customer, view and update your customer data whenever you want. They provide you the complete 360-degree view of the customer, which in turn helps them to make better business decisions and makes close deals faster. Number 2. Accessibility. As you all know, Salesforce is the cloud-based product, so that means it is available wherever you have the internet access. This includes mobile. Salesforce has its application which helps you to stay connected with your business and with your team at every time. Number 3. Reports. Salesforce offers you the powerful suite of reporting tools that help in saving your money, your time, and you are able to give more attention to your business as it deserves. As a Salesforce rep, you can create your own reports and you can track the number of accounts you haven't worked for a while, the opportunities present in the pipeline, the products you have sold yet, and the tasks completed, activities performed, and etc. Number 4. Integration option. Salesforce platform has robust and well-documented API which makes virtually any Salesforce integration possible. This lets you map your business process into Salesforce more effectively and boosts productivity. Number 5. App Exchange. Salesforce understands that there are other apps which can be needed in addition to the Salesforce for enhancing the customer engagement. So what he has done, he has introduced the marketplace termed as App Exchange, which include integration with Jira, DocuSign, HelloSign, Adobe Sign, QuickBooks and Xero, etc. which for all small and enterprise business in all-in-one platform. Number 6. Multi-tenant platform. All Salesforce users shares the same infrastructure and instance of software. This allows automatic and simultaneous updates for all the users on the platform while keeping their data secure. Number 7. Diverse community. The community at Salesforce is always ready to help and support you. They also provide customization services and help companies gain access to the pool of rich developer talent. Number 8. Team collaboration. Salesforce lets you easily communicate with other members of your team. The chatter features lets you talk to an individual or group about work-related information like client's territory or other details or other essential details. Chatter also lets you add different team members to accounts or opportunities which need special attention, which in turn makes more easier for your teams to schedule their tasks so you can cover up more leads and finalize more sales. Salesforce has helped large number of businesses to better manage their customers and grow. If you too are looking for the CRM, then look no further. Salesforce has committed its excellence due to its outstanding features and marketing automation solutions. For any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.